This is a 2011 Ford Fusion. And a clean, non-smoker interior. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a 4-wheel independent suspension, 17-inch wheels, a security system, dusk sensing headlights, a split folding rear seat, and this vehicle has less than 43,000 miles. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Metro Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1651 New State Highway in Raynham.